Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add cells in Excel. Click on the cell where you want to insert a new cell. Excel will shift the selected cell and others either down or to the right depending on what you choose next. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus equals. This keyboard shortcut opens the Insert dialog box. In the Insert dialog box you'll see four options. The two main ones are Shift Cells Right and Shift Cells Down. Shift Cells Right inserts the new cell in the same row and moves existing cells to the right. Shift Cells Down inserts the new cell in the same column and moves existing cells down. Select the radio button for the direction you want. Then click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. Excel adds an empty cell where you selected and shifts the existing cells in the direction you chose. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Cell references in your formulas automatically adjust to match the new locations, so your formulas stay intact. If you need to insert multiple cells at once, select that many cells before pressing the keyboard shortcut. Excel will insert them all and shift the existing ones together. Inserting individual cells can disrupt your worksheet layout if you have data spread across multiple columns or rows, so double-check the results before proceeding. If something looks wrong, press Ctrl plus Z to undo. That's how to add cells in Excel.